What's up, people? Thank you for tuning in to Culinary Image, and boy do we have another treat of an episode today. I'm gonna be cooking one of the most popular comfort foods. Every country has its own style and its own way of cooking this dish, and that is lamb potato stew. Now I know in some countries they prefer to use beef, so you refer it as beef stew, but this part of town, in the Middle East, parts of Asia, we use lamb instead. So lamb stew, lamb potato stew is one of the most comfort foods for us, and today I will tell you what I discovered and how to cook this dish in Pakistan during my last visits.
First, we will start preparing the mixture that is required to make the smooth gravy. And these are the following ingredients that will be required to make the gravy. Next step, on a medium-low heat, we will stop frying our onions until they turn nice and golden brown. Once the onions are fried, spread them on a paper towel and let it sit aside to simply cool down. Once all the spices and the herbs have been added to your meat, on a medium heat, continue on sauteing the meat until all the water is evaporated and the meat turns into nice and brown. Next, we will add the gravy mixture into the meat and cook it on a low heat for at least 30 minutes before we go ahead and add the potatoes. This way, the potatoes will not get overcooked. 30 minutes later, we will go ahead and add the potatoes, covered with the lid, and cook it for at least another 15 minutes. While the potatoes are being cooked, we will go ahead and take our fried onions, dice and chop them into fine pieces, almost like a semi-paste, and go ahead, add it to our stew. And then simply cover it with the lid and let the stew cook for another 35 minutes until the meat is nice and tender. Just before the stew is ready, go ahead and add your fresh coriander, not just for garnish, but to flavor the stew as well. You know your stew is ready when you see the oil has separated from the gravy. That means the stew is ready and to be served.